Things are about to get awkward. Let's see. Equip Strata Harness. He'll probably tap. And I could wait till the life isn't so well. I could wait till I had the grasp. I mean, I used the replica to play it, but man, can tap some stuff. Yeah, he's tapping some stuff. Right. And I don't have to drop my quarter shield. Yep. I should check. What is he attacking? I think he's still going to try to attack me since yep, he's still going to try to attack me. There's one card. I could kill the mirror, and I may want to. Or I could just block. Yeah. I just block the Ichthoclaw mirror. Like that. You can have insta infection. That's a 4/4. Alright. I think I can keep dropping down tokens and holding him off. It's not until he gets his Trigon of Infestation, which I know he has, that things get really annoying. And he's probably going to use Temple Magnus to keep me from killing him. Sun Chaser. 1, 2, not quite enough. But hey. Now he could sack his Survive Replica and kill a thing. But kill one of my artifacts. Let's see. I drop down a thing. If I choose to, and I equip, if I try to swing, he'll block. So, no, I can't do it until I have another one. Yeah. He's certainly not going to try to kill me with damage, so, right? He could probably save. Oh, fine. He's going to keep doing that. I should have moved it over. But anyways, I'm putting more tokens down. Yeah. He's taking Elspeth? They are taking Elspeth. Alright, oh yeah, way too, do I run a risk taking one? Oh, I have another soldier token. I have to also remember he could sack this and gain 3 life. Another Cowpace Forger, right. Right. Quarter shield, that's now a 3-3. If I swing though, he probably sack this, but trading that for that, I think it's good. If that was, oh, it's gonna resolve. I don't think he can do anything. He has no cards. I will move the Razor Strider Harness to my Kemba Skyguard and swing, and then move stuff to my Sunspear Shikari. I can also see I can bounce back and play it again and bring back Miracle Replica. So, all right. I'm going to move it this time. Right. Right. He's taking his sweet time being attacked. I know he can't do anything there. Wait, some more tokens. So now he can't tumble magnet no more. So 3, alright, he concedes. Right. So green black, like I mentioned before, in fact, Sivak replica. 2 tumble magnets. Annoying. Yeah. Also, I'd rather do Soul Parry over CG Initiative. Let's see. Dark Steel Mirror doesn't do anything. Can't do anything else. Shredder Harness is okay. Physimancer is good. I'll just leave it like this, I think. It's good enough for me. I think Abuna Acolyte definitely over Soul Parry. Yep. I'll just submit it and see how that goes. Yeah. I kind of like Strider Harness. I could, I guess, Strider Harness for Soul Parry. But I kind of like Strider Harness, so. Submit again and see how it goes.